So here's my trick. It's a Xerox machine trick. And that is that I actually just was able to figure out how to, I just basically blew up my pictures until, and I did several different, you can see the actual breaks of the paper. I basically blew it up in the Xerox machine until the actual thing, when I stuck it all together, is 4 feet long. Okay, and I taped it up. So I've got a full-size drawing here that I don't have to do anything with, okay? This takes a lot of time. It basically, you're going to be, if you're going someplace to actually use a Xerox machine, like we actually have a Xerox machine in the building, so it's not really so awful. But basically breaking this down, the way I can do it, you can see on the original one, I basically was able to, using my scale rule, it basically broke this down to inches. And then I could basically go to the Xerox machine and blow it up until those little marks, you see them here, are actually 1 inch long. Okay, so you'll see them there. See them 1 inch long. And then, essentially, I could take the entire drawing there, figure out, I think it was almost 400% I made it go up. But it'll be different depending on what you do. But essentially what I've done is I've just blown up the entire picture a whole bunch of times and then taped it all together using this masking tape. Yay! Or actually, it's Scotch tape. Anyway, so there it is. Now, the next thing I did with this is I went to make patterns because I thought that I might be making. I actually decided to make 3 of these things, and in the future, if anyone wants, if I want to build some for somebody, I'll actually have the patterns. So what I was able to do is I copied this again and I cut out different pieces. Like I cut out the back end here, I cut out a piece that's here, I cut out the whole mechanism here, and I also, because I'm going to lay this out of wood, essentially I cut that out. So what I ended up with are these little pieces that are broken down, so I have all of the different pieces of that I can start cutting and shaping what I'm going to need to do. Okay? And here's my pattern for the lathe. Okay? This makes it really, really very, very simple.